Welcome on Mining Conversation Africa. Today on academics, we are looking at mine planning, fundamentals of mine planning, and we'll go through the stages that are required for you to carry out a mine planning exercise. And it has three phases. We have planning phase, implementation phase, and production phase. But in this video, we'll just look at the planning phase, and next time we'll look at implementation phase and production phase. Okay, so planning is done by my engineers, and under planning phase, we have activities involved in planning. So you carry out certain activities, the initial data collection checklist of that project. So the initial data collection checklist consists of the topography of the land, the climatic conditions of that land, the water determined by exploration wells, geological structures, the surface, the vegetation, rock type, ore type, and location of concentrators, where the tailings pond area will be located, and it looks at the land ownership. Is the land purchased or is it on lease? So we'll look at that aspect, and also the power. Where is the power source? Where is the power going to be generated? So in this initial data collection checklist, it includes all these: the smelting facility, where is it going to be located, how big is the smelting plant. It looks at the roads, where is our road network to possible near towns, and this checklist also involves government restrictions, to look at a document on government restrictions, the mineral rights, mining rights, exploration rights, and other restrictions. It looks at the economic climate of that area and the project as a whole. It looks at the dump location area, where is our dump going to be located. So my engineers will carry out that data collection. The accessibility of principal town, where is the nearest town. So all that information is contained in this. Then for you to carry out these data collections, there are methods of obtaining information. So under the methods, we have three methods, which is conceptual study. We have a preliminary study or pre-feasibility study. We have last one, which is a feasibility study. So a conceptual study transforms a project idea into a broad investment proposal. So it will transform that idea into an investment proposal. At an initial stage of planning. Then we have preliminary study or pre-feasibility study. This document intermediates conceptual study and the feasibility study. So this document determines whether the project proposal justifies a detailed analysis of a feasibility study. So after this is done, then we finally come up with a feasibility study, and it provides a conclusive technical, environment, and economic base to make an investment decision. So this is the last document, whether the project is feasible or not. So it contains detailed information of the project, and this is where a decision is made whether to proceed with the project or to cancel it. Then we have mine reclamation plan. This is a document that details the guidelines of reclamation process, and fulfills federal state or country. So it's required for a mine to have a reclamation plan for it to reinstate back the land to its initial position. And this is what we have for you. This is basically the brief explanation of mine planning. Thank you so much. Until next time.